Most people think snoring's just annoying, but if you stick with me for 30 seconds, I'm going to explain why it's actually a sign of something deeper. When you snore, it means that the tissues in your throat are partially blocking your airway. Your body's fighting harder for oxygen, which disrupts your sleep, even if you don't remember waking up. It's not a noise problem, it's an oxygen problem. That's why so many snorers feel groggy, foggy, and drained, even after they get 8 hours of sleep. And that low energy spills into everything. Your work, your patience, your mood, you get the point. The good news? There are easy ways to open your airway and reduce snoring. That way you wake up feeling human again. I'm Chris, co-founder of Snore Less Now, and if you snore, don't ignore your warning sound. Fix your airflow problem.